welcome back to the channel English Literature. I am Ankita. We gather here to discuss Indian English literature. As in last video, we discussed MEG 10 Block 1 Unit 1 Entry of English, a historical overview, in which we got to know that East India Company introduced English in India to get cheap servants in cheap wages. Means as per we know that we were not aware of these companies, example East India Company, and we had no company like this. So they were not aware of servant wages and etc. etc. So they used us as a servant with cheap wages. Let's move further with another unit, Macaulay, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Charles E. Trevelyan. All they having a most important role to establish English in India. So let's discuss. It examines the contribution of prominent figures such as Macaulay, Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Charles E. Trevelyan English studies in India. Macaulay's Minute on Education emphasized promoting English as the medium of instruction. Together, these figures played pivotal roles in shaping the trajectory of English education in colonial India, influencing language policies, educational reforms and cultural exchange. So let's study about Macaulay and its minute. What is that? Let's go further. Macaulay's famous Minute on Education, presented in 1835, advocated for the introduction of English education in India. He argued that English education would create a class of Indians who would be Indian in the blood and color, but English in taste, in opinions, in moral and in intellect. This proposal led to the adoption of English as the medium of instruction in Indian schools and colleges. Second point, impact on Indian education. Macaulay's policies had a profound impact on Indian education. They led to the establishment of English medium schools and colleges across India, which played a crucial role in shaping the intellectual landscape of the country. However, his policies also marginalized that traditional Indian language and culture, leading to debate about the loss of indigenous knowledge and heritage. Third point, controversies and criticism. Controversies and criticism. Macaulay's Minute sparked hated debate and controversies. Cities accused him of cultural imperialism and undermining Indian language and traditions. The Anglicists who supported his policies argued that English education was essential for Indian modernization and integration into the British Empire. Legacy. Fourth point. Despite the controversies surrounding his policies, Macaulay's influence of India's education was undeniable. His emphasis of English education laid the foundation for India's modern education system, which continues to shape the country's intellectual and cultural landscape to this day. However, his legacy remains a subject of debate, with some praising his contributions of Indian education while others critiquing the colonial mindset and underlying his policies. Let's move forward to Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Was a pioneering social reformer, thinker and educator in 19th century India. Here is more about his contribution. That is, first point, advocate for social reform. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was vocal advocate as social reform in India. He campaigned against practices such as sati, widow burning, polygamy and child marriage, advocating for women's rights and social equality. Second point, promotion of education. Roy believed in the importance of education, the social progress and enlightenment. He found the Hindu College in Calcutta. Means he just started a new college that is called Hindu College in Calcutta. Now in Kolkata in 1817, which later became a focal point of the spread of Western education in Bengal. He also promoted the study of English, science and rational through alongside traditional Indian learning. Third point, interfaith dialogue. Roy was a proponent of religious tolerance and dialogue. He founded the Brahmo Samaj in 1828, that is important, market. He reformist Hindu movement that sought to promote modernism, rationalism and social reform. The Brahmo Samaj played a significant role of fostering in faith dialogue and promoting a more inclusive and liberal interpretation of Hinduism. Fourth point is advocacy for vernacular language. Despite his support of English education, Roy also advocated for the preservation of promotion of vernacular language. He translated several Western works into Bengali and Persian to make them accessible to a wider audience and promote the spread of knowledge in Indian language. Fifth, legacy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy's contribution to social reform, education, and interfaith dialogue had a lasting impact on Indian society. He is widely regarded as one of the key figures of the Bengal Renaissance and period of cultural and intellectual revival in Bengal. During the 19th century, his ideas and principle continues to inspire social reformers and thinkers in India and beyond. So the lastly but not the least character, Charles Edward Trevelyan, was a British civil servant and colonial administrator who played a significant role in shaping British policies in India during the 19th century. Here's more about him. Let's discuss. First point, administrative career. Trevelyan served as a civil servant in the British colonial administration in India. He held various administrative positions, including serving as the governor of Madras from 1859 to 1860. Second point, educational reforms. Trevelyan was involved in educational reforms in India, particularly in the area of modernization, means modernizing India education infrastructure. He advocated for the establishment of the schools and college, aiming to provide a Western-style education to Indians. Promotion of English education similar to Thomas Babington Macaulay, that is the full name of Macaulay, Thomas Babington Macaulay. Trevelyan was a proponent of English education in India. He believed that English education was essential for the spread of British influence and the modernization of Indian society. Fourth point, criticism and controversy. Trevelyan's policies and actions were not without controversy. He faced criticism for his role in implementing policies that marginalized Indian language and culture in favor of English. Critics accused him of promoting cultural and imperialism and undermining the indigenous knowledge system. Fifth, legacy. Despite the controversies surrounding his policies, Trevelyan's contribution in Indian education and administration had a lasting impact. His advocacy for English education laid the foundation for the spread of Western education in India, which continues to influence the country's educational system today. Later career. After his tenure in India, Trevelyan returned to Britain and continues his career in public service. He had various positions in the Britain government, including serving as Chancellor of the Duchy Lancaster and as a Member of Parliament. Overall, Charles E. Trevelyan played a significant role in shaping British policies in India, particularly in the realm of education, and his legacies continues to be debated in the context of colonial history. So as in conclusion, Unit 2 of Amity 10 Block 1 provides a comprehensive examination of the contribution to key figures such as Macaulay, Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Charles E. Trevelyan to English studies in India, in highlighting the significant impact of the policies and initiatives on the development of English education, language, policies and cultural exchange in colonial India. Macaulay's Minute on Education marked the pivotal movement in history of India education, advocating for the introduction of English education and laying a groundwork for the spread of Western knowledge and values. Raja Ram Mohan Roy's efforts to blend Western education with traditional Indian learning promoted a synthesis of cultural and fostered a spirit of social reform and indigenous tolerance. Charles E. Trevelyan advocacy for English education furthered the spread of Western knowledge in India, albeit amidst controversies and criticism regarding cultural imperialism and the marginalization of indigenous language and traditions. Overall, Unit 2 underscores the complex of dynamics of colonial education policies and their lasting impact on Indian society and cultural. It promotes reflection on legacy of colonialism and the ongoing challenges of language, identity and education in post-colonial India. All about for today, everyone. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you understand what I am trying to make you understand about Unit 2. So that's how English become instruction language in India. These three important characters of the chapter make this English as important as in nowadays. They make an Indian people like they are having an Indian blood, but the taste of English like British, they make that allied. So because of why English is that important for nowadays. So thank you for watching the video once again, and stay healthy, stay connected. Bye bye.